Listo? Yes, welcome. In this case, let me show you how is it, because there's a frequent question, for example. When we install this in the outside, it's logical that you are thinking in a period of time when the battery is low. First, how do I know? Second, how often should I recharge and how? So let me go simple, very easy. The device or the camera, which is already installed in the outside, have a normal USB from Android, where you can charge in two different ways. Let's say, for example, that we take it out from the street and you go home and then you just recharge. And the second idea is when you use a bank battery from any telephone, like when you're traveling, you just plug it into the device and then the battery is back. Just for your information, the battery is designated, or it's like designed with 5,000 amperes or milliamperes. This capacity is gonna give you for a typical house for 6 months, okay? In compared with the other lithium batteries. Let me show you, because you're gonna see in your hands when this is coming to you. The device is using this lithium battery, okay, which is more similar to the telephones or the ones that we are using in any telephone. This lithium battery, it's the main source, which is giving the camera a little release. Other thing that is important to consider, for example, and this time I want you to see how fast is the connectivity between this to the central machine. I'm just going to put and play, okay, that is there. And then the central device, which is coming here, please, come, let me show you. The central device is a function like a router. It goes directly from here to the internet, and the electricity from whatever you are having. In the typical installation at home, you are having the camera is already working because it was just plug and play. In the typical installation that we have at home, we have the internet very close in any part of the house, and then from the internet we are going to provide the camera, which is going to be at the door, an extra distance. But the most important is like the 24/7 work and the recording work and all this surveillance work, the heavy duty, is not done by the camera outside. It's done by this, and this one with the source, it's plug and play with electricity. That is gonna give you the advantage that first, the lithium battery is gonna be long life. Second, the recording, in case, for example, someone steals this from you, it's gonna be here at home. If someone is here, vandalism or something in the camera, you have them recorded inside your house. Okay? Just by the way, let me show you in the end how fast it is when you knock in the door. So, here you are, guys. Ready.